Hey guys, so today I am here to review a new flat iron that I just got, and I'm really excited because I was in dire need of a new flat iron. The last one I had was really good, and it was actually from this same company, but unfortunately I left it in a hotel room when I went to visit Atlanta, and I was so hurt by that. So I'm really happy that the company sent me a new one because I have been using like ones that I get off Amazon. Some of them are great, some of them suck. Like, it's just like horrible trying to find a really good flat iron. So I'm happy that I am able to collaborate with this company again to review a new flat iron that they have. So keep watching and let's get into it. All right, my loves, so this flat iron is from Irresistible Me. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I have tried out a few of their hot tools before. I tried out their 8-in-1 wand curler and the last flat iron I had. So this one is called the Black Diamond Flat Iron by Irresistible Me. This is what it looks like when you receive it in the mail. I do feel like they have really good packaging for their flat irons. It's cute and it just makes it seem like, you know, it just looks like they really care about their product. So I fuck with the packaging. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It has all the facts and details about the flat iron on this side, which I really like. They also give you an instruction manual, like, you know, care tips, what to do, what not to do, how it works, because it is a little different from your typical flat iron. So I'm just gonna read off a couple of these facts on the flat iron right here, because it kind of explains what the flat iron comes with, how it works, where all the cooling temperatures are, and all that good stuff. So the first one, it says it has digital temperature display, meaning that you will be able to digitally see the temperature. Sometimes flat irons just have like up and down buttons, but this one actually shows you the temperature. It says energy efficient, auto shut off, just in case you forget to turn off your flat iron. I hope y'all don't be forgetting to turn off your flat iron. Don't nobody got time to be burning down houses. So it also has a LED digital display, 2.5 swivel, 1-inch floating heat plate, ergonomic design, cool tips, 30-watt max temperature, 230 Celsius, 450 Fahrenheit, infrared function, fast heat up, lightweight tool, and titanium technology. So I'm just going to show you guys what the flat iron looks like. You know, I'm just trying to give you some backstory on the flat iron. If you want to get straight to the tutorial, you can fast forward if you'd like, but I think you guys should know, you know, a little bit about what you'll be buying if you do decide to get this flat iron. So this is what the flat iron looks like. It's very sleek. I love the way this flat iron looks. It kind of feels like a soft matte and not like plasticky, which I really like. It has the logo right here. The gold accents are actually rose gold, which is really cute, and this is where you could see the actual temperature. I don't know if you guys can see the inside, but here is the, hold on, let me see if I can focus it. The up and down, if you want to turn the heat up, turn the heat down, and then this is the on and off switch, and then this lights up so you know that the flat iron is on. Like, I really like the look of this flat iron, and then when you turn it on, there are like LED lights in here. I don't really know their function. I don't know if it's for style. I think this said something about LED. Yeah, LED digital, oh no, that's not what it was. But all right. So this is gonna be my first time actually using the flat iron. I got this flat iron about 2 weeks ago, but I've been super busy, and I have really wanted to do my whole head with this flat iron, and I've been so eager. But I felt like it would be a little bit cooler if I did it for the first time and gave my initial thoughts right on camera. So, you know, you guys can't say, oh, she's been using it and working with it. Like, this is literally my first time using this flat iron. I think when I first got it, I just, you know, did like a quick, just to see if it would, how hot it got and how it affected my hair, and from what I saw, it was pretty good. So I'm really excited to see how it's gonna you know, do when I'm trying to style my actual hair. Okay, so I plugged it in, And I'm going to turn it on camera for you guys. Just because I want to show you what it looks like when you actually turn it on. So here is the on button. Turned on, turns green, and that is the setting temperature. And then when you want to turn it up, just keep pressing, and it goes up to 450 Fahrenheit, which I love because you know, if you wear weaves or you have really thick hair or really thick curl pattern, you know, you want something that gets really, really hot. You don't want something that's like not really hot and then you're constantly going over and over and over your hair just to flat iron it. I just like a 1 sweep or 2 sweep, you know, flat iron, and then it's straight. I don't have time to be going over my hair over and over because the flat iron is not that hot. So I do like that this goes up to 450. So I'm gonna start off with a really small section. I feel like when you're flat ironing your hair or curling it or whatever, I don't think that you should take huge chunks, especially with a flat iron that's only about like an inch or 2 like wide. You shouldn't really be taking huge chunks of hair because you're not really going to see the efficiency of the product. So I'm going to start with a small section and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna say so far so good. Usually I can't get like a full opinion or like a full view of what the hair looks like until my whole head is done. I know that might sound weird, but I just feel like when you're first curling your hair, like at the bottom, sometimes it looks really, really nice. And then when you finish, you're just kind of like, oh, okay. I don't know if that just happens with me, but yeah, so far so good. I am finding that it's really, really easy to glide the hair down, which is good. I don't like when, you know, flat irons don't glide smooth enough for your hair to go down, and sometimes it gets stuck. So I am liking the fact that it does glide down really easily. And like I said, so far so good. I'm gonna finish up this side of my head and then I'm gonna come back and share my opinions. Okay, so I don't know if it looks like this to you, but I just feel like the left side of my hair, which is this side that I just curled, looks pretty much the same as the right side that I really didn't touch. So I had curls in my hair for like the past 2 days, and this is just, you know, the leftover from those curls. So my hair is still just a little bit curled from 2 days prior with the flat iron that I bought from Amazon. And then this is the result of my hair once I curled it with the Irresistible Me Black Diamond Flat Iron. I just feel like this flat iron, if you're someone that likes tight curls, this flat iron may or may not be for you. And I say may or may not because it could be this hair. If you guys watch my review on this hair, then you know how I feel about it in my opinions. So it could just be the hair. Is probably why that the hair didn't really curl that well. When you take the hair in smaller sections, it definitely gave more of a tighter curl, but I don't have time to be flat ironing my hair in sections like these. You know, when you gotta go, you gotta go. So I just feel like if you're someone that likes tight curls, this flat iron may not be for you. Now on the flip side, like I said, this is a leave out, so my hair is on top. The leave out, I feel like curled really, really well, and it did curl a little bit tighter than my weave hair. So it could honestly be this hair, but you know, I'm not sure. I would have to try this on some new hair that I get. But as far as my natural hair, I really do like the way the flat iron my hair took to the flat iron. It left it soft, it left it silky, and I only had to swipe my hair once and it coiled. So that is definitely a pro of the flat iron. I do think that it would work on natural hair. I'm not typically someone who likes tight curls anyway. I like loose, effortless, beach wave, messy curls. That's my preference, so I'm not that disappointed. I just feel like for the price point of this flat iron and all the stuff they say comes with it, I was just expecting to be like blown out the water. And in my opinion, the last flat iron I had from this same company, and I will leave that information down below as well, I just feel like that flat iron was better than this one, and this is their newer flat iron, so I was expecting, you know, this flat iron to set the bar for them. So overall, I think I would give this flat iron a 7. I do think it did the job. It does get really, really hot, and I do think that if I had all my natural hair out and I did a full head, I'd probably be in love with this flat iron because I do like the way it left my leave out looking. It feels smooth, it looks sleek, it kind of gave a natural shine to it. So I really did like that aspect of the flat iron. It may work best on natural hair. So yeah, I'm curious to see how it works when I take this weave out. I'm curious to see how long these curls are gonna last. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.